Hey folks, welcome back to the Racing for ALS channel. Today we are going to be getting a new front windshield. So after 4 years of driving and tracking and doing everything else, the windshield on ZL1 here is totally toasted. It's got just total sandblast, multiple rock chips, and the final straw was I got a rock chip right in my field of vision and on the heads-up display. So we have Safelite Auto Glass coming. They're gonna just do a full install right here in the house in my garage, and we'll hopefully have a brand new fresh windshield here. So we got some pretty bad rock chips like this one right here. It's on the edge. It has been previously filled and didn't spread, but the one that really was the coup de grace was this one right here. That's actually the heads-up display unit, and that one's right in the line of sight. You can see the steering wheel right there, but I'm not sure how well it's going to show up on the camera here, but you can see, and this is a clean windshield. I have some racing rubber, but it is got a lot of small chips in it. But they're little hits all over the windshield. So obviously driving a car aggressively, following too close, doing some track days is really hard on windshields. The total cost is going to be right around $700 with tax and the trip out here. If you have a deductible on your insurance, it might be $500, and that makes it a hard call whether you want to use your insurance and save $200 and have a claim on your record, or just do it out of pocket. There also are some windshield films that can help reduce this. But the windshield films are like $450 to $500, which makes it questionable to say, do I just replace my windshield every 4 or 5 years, or do I put some protection on it? Your call. Here we go, brand new windshield. GM, it looks like. There's just something kind of interesting here. So this is the passenger compartment side of the windshield. These 3 tabs are actually where the PDR camera mounts, and you can see here there is the cutout for the PDR camera. So we know this is the right windshield. All right, so if you look here, here's the PDR camera. It's just dangling here, but it's got slots, and so when the camera is installed on the pegs, it's going to be nested in this small end of the slot, and so you would push the camera, you would pull it back, and then that would release it into the large holes, and then you could pull it down off the peg. So the Chevy Performance Data Recorder is a really great option that's available on some GM performance vehicles, which is actually a camera and telemetry data recorder. So you can see that it records gas, brake, throttle, RPM, steering angle, it has track map, and then there's some optional software that you can actually take this video out of the car and then get even more data, including vehicle health, tire pressure, tire temperature, a whole range of information. So for a data junkie, this is great. If you're trying to improve as a driver, the Chevy PDR is an awesome option. Unfortunately, it's been discontinued on the Camaro because of the chip shortage, which will hopefully be reversed soon. Let's get back to the installation. Which one?
This one right here. I can just pull it out.
This is a really cool tool. It's, what is it called? Easy Wire?
Easy Wire, yeah.
It's suction cup on the inside and just pull the string straight through the upper seal. So that's slick.
I don't like this camera. getting crazy. You don't want this for no reason, did you?
No, no, please take it.
Grab this like I grab here. Yep. We'll bring this around. Right over top of everything. And then we're gonna stand it straight up. And then you grab up here.
Okay.
Just not like just the very tip top. Yeah.
Okay.
Just for balance. And then you bring your, okay, and you kind of just hold it right there.
We're pretty close on my side.
Yeah, don't touch the glue with it.
Okay.
Okay.
You got it?
Mhm.
I'm letting go.
There it is. Easy enough, right?
A little nervous.
I mean, yeah, I could do it by myself. It's just then I have to reach across.
Yeah, no, it was
like
part
if
of
you're out here.
It was no, thanks for letting me help. It looks like it got straight in there.
Oh yeah.
You can just tell an amazing difference though in how messed up that old windshield was.
Oh yeah.
So we got the new windshield in. Safelite was awesome. The technician Chad was extremely knowledgeable. He'd been doing this for several years. He took great care of the car, got it in no time. Taught me, I mean, he let me watch and see what he was doing and showed me some of the tools that they use. And so, wow, I can only highly recommend Safelite, especially in the South Charlotte area. But the glass is, I mean, wow, it is, I can't believe how bad it was now seeing this fresh glass in the car. And it's new GM official glass for the PDR in the heads-up display. And so I'm very happy. Quick service done in the convenience of my home. Didn't have to take the car anywhere. So anyway, it was a great experience, and I highly recommend them. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If you got any questions, put it in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. It helps support Racing for LS. Thanks, and see you on the next video.